It's not focusing. Jaybird. Is it like, are the small burps cuter or are the big monster burps? Like, are the small burps cuter or are the big monster burps cuter? Which one's cuter? We're gonna do a poll. Let's do a poll. Ooh, wait, hold on. Okay, let's do a poll. Poll time! The last poll I did was who's louder, Kimmy or Katie? What's cuter? Whoops. I thought it said Mafa. It says Rafa. I apologize. Let's go. The fire, let's go, Vibin' Panda. Was good. Sometimes it's good to do a little reset because everybody gets notified that didn't get notified before. I'm not gonna lie. I have a sub on here. I have two people I subscribe to on here, and I don't get their freaking notifications when they go live. Sometimes. Yes, and I've just been like, pause. Sorry. I can't. It sounds like the house is falling apart every time. Sounds like a scam. I'm just kidding. You gotta let him be natural, baby. Yeah, not as good. Not as good as my natural monsters. Not as good. Like, I feel one coming right now. And it's not gonna be as good as that inhale that I just did. I'm just a different... I'm just different. Biceps and burping. Biceps and burping. Biceps and burping. Biceps and burping. Can you burp the ABCs? I can do one letter at a time. If I build up a monster burp, I can make it like to LMNO.
Tapi jangan.
Kaça.
Kimchi?
What are you watching?
I don't.
What are you watching?
Yeah, me.
Who's there with you? What's going on? What country are you in? What kind of shirt do you have on? Is that like a flag or what's going on here? Dude, you wanna battle? You wanna battle?
That guy was boring. He was just looking like he was just looking into my soul. Is that guy in here? I'm about to call him out. He ain't in here. That's fine. You're in Jacksonville, Florida? That fucking sucks. I fucking hate Jacksonville. Oh, don't get me started about Jacksonville, Florida. We won't go there. We're not doing it today. No Jacksonville, Florida in this chat. Bad vibes. Bad memories. No, I will not. Because I don't know who Paige is, okay? Paige, the WWE superstar? That bitch is hot. I hope I meet her one day. Who's on? Oh, I don't know who that person is. Oh, it's you. You're the one that's online. So I have this thing. It has a little light right here. But it's shit. Monster burps are cuter. Amazing. We love that shit. Thank you. But I wanted to stand up and like, I don't know, guys. Like when I stand up over here, it's just not the same. And honestly, I'm getting bored, okay? And I want to just go play some fucking Call of Duty, have another beer, smoke a few bowls. Okay? Sometimes I get down like this, you know what I mean? Sometimes I do it like this. Right. How about you do a massive 10-minute burp, bro? Do you mean 10 seconds? 10 minutes? The world record for longest burp is a minute. Wow. How about on D's, bro? Get on both with D's, okay? That's all I gotta say about that. Farts.
Oh, sorry. Hello.
What are you sorry for?
No, my friends bother me. They say it's like they give me like alcohol. I said I don't want it.
Oh, well, I've had like 4 beers, so.
Oh, do you like it? There's my friend. Yes.
Hello, how are you?
Hello. Where are you guys at?
He
Wait,
says
Miguel.
he say sorry. He say very beautiful. I want to talk to her. I say okay, 1 second. Let me talk to her, and then I will see.
Oh, okay. You saw my profile picture.
Yeah, حلو اللي بيتكلم معها. All
Follow
right.
me, follow me.
He say what did you say? Because also his English not like not very good like me.
50-50.
He says yeah, a little. Yeah. Yeah.
Where are you?
Yeah.
Where are you? Let's see.
Can
Hold
you
on,
imagine?
hold on.
Sounds like سكن اسقط مش لك.
Turkey.
نقول انتم
No.
وين انت؟ No, I'm from North Africa. Let me like help you. Okay, which country?
You're you're where?
North Africa.
North Africa. No way. Okay. All right.
Okay.
I mean,
Okay, there's like
you already know where I
Egypt.
am.
Oh, okay. But we really like you here very much. We love that.
Oh, okay. Do you know what I do here on TikTok?
I don't know. What do you do in TikTok?
That's what I do on TikTok.
قالت لي تعرف ان دي قالت لي كده حالي. Where you from?
DC area.
No, North America.
D. Yes. Yes.
All right.
North America. Mhm.
America.
America.
Yeah.
You
Your
knew that.
accent.
You knew that. You know that.
You come to us. Come to visit our country.
Okay, right now. On the way. I'm on the way.
Oh. All right. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. This is like my friend's account. Okay.
Nice to meet you. I'm going for the world record. Also, Howie Mandel posted a TikTok of a prolapse, and you need to go too. I'm going for the world record. Also, Howie Mandel posted a TikTok of a prolapse, and you need to go.
That was so. I don't. I didn't mean to laugh at that rude comment, but it was just like on the spot, like, dang. Ah! Butters! How are you, Butters? You better behave today, Butters. Except, you better behave today, Butters. Except you're alive, dude. Oh God, I'm not in the mood. What makes you burp the most? White Claw. White Claw or like anything alcoholic, really. I can drink water and make it happen though. I proved that on my TikTok. So, yeah. Here I am. And I crushed the Pocky Chip One Chip Challenge. It's on YouTube. Aw, Butters, you're in imagination land right now. I'm gonna come rescue you, okay, Butters? I'm gonna sing the song. Imagination, 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 imagination. Don't get me started, Butters. Burp the song. Imagine. I can't. Sure, I've done it all, you know what I'm saying? Imagination. Imagination. Funniest burp story, I got kicked out of a fucking bar. Bro. Dude, how you gonna kick this out of a bar? How you gonna kick this out of a bar? How you gonna kick this out of a bar? How? I'm trying to go on this
thing where we do karaoke and
just like be mid-song and just be like, oh, I'm trying to do that so bad. My girl doesn't fucking answer me though. I have no friends. That's not true. We're trying to get something scheduled, but it just things don't work out the way they used to, you know. We always used to just, you know, gather each other up and just go do what the fuck we wanted to do in the moment, and now we're all just scattered across the state and we have problems communicating. But I want to film some public burps really soon. My sister, she's turning 21 soon, and I'm gonna get that bitch lit, bro. Ugh, I don't feel like talking to people right now. Rapid fire burp? Sure. They're not that good right now. I need another drink. I need to play some video games. Guys, did you know I started a Twitch channel? I'll be streaming for like an hour or two a day.
I'm
on YouTube, Kimmy Cola on Only Burps. I got some new content coming out soon. You can find me everywhere. I still have those videos up for sale too. Did you guys know you can't show alcohol or tobacco or like any smoking on Only Burps? You can't do that on your spicy page. So I want to make a shot. So I'm not good at shotgunning. I'm not good at chugging. I feel like I'm getting better, but I'm just like not good at it. I wanted to do a beer shotgunning compilation where I just try to shotgun a beer like every
and then I put them all together and we'll see what happens.
I'm just like running out of ideas. I can't do that on Only Burps though, so
There's so many people calling me right now. Hello, where are you from?
I'm from Nepal, and you?
Nepal. Okay.
Yeah,
That's
and
amazing.
you?
America.
I know. You very, very cute.
Oh, thank you.
Take. Jump. Join
I'm
gang.
a burper. I burp a lot. Do you know what that means? Burp.
What?
Burp.
Too much.
I'm a burper. I just burp. Oh, I'm scared to play games. I'm scared. I only play.
Okay, well, thank you guys for coming. I am going to end this now. See you guys another time. Thank you for. I don't know where Shoe Nice is. You know, he's doing his own thing. I'm doing my own thing. You know what I'm saying? Thank you.